So, I'm here with another wig review. This one from Imstyle Wigs. I think it's pronounced Imstyle. Here's how you pronounce it. Like, I am style. Imstyle. Isn't this such a nice box? So let's just see what exactly are the details about this wig. It's a 14-inch lace front with 150% hair density. So, as a queen, you know that's good. A medium 22.5-inch cap size, can be adjusted. It's constructed as a lace front wig, and they have a website, email, and Instagram, which I will leave here. They'll also be in the description in the video though, at the bottom of the video. So let's open the wig. I know what it looked like. I got sent a picture before I got it. I didn't choose it, it was a surprise. And... oh, it's a wig cap. Okay, they give me a wig cap. And there's the wig. Are you confused? Are you wondering what it's going to look like? Normally you just get like a rubbish little hairnet, but not a proper wig cap. So let's just open this right now. Oh, wait. So there's this thing, which is like a sticker of sorts. This card, which is the care tips. It's fine. Imstyle. Braid the hair in cornrow or do a hard flat set with gel if your hair is shorter, then wear the wig cap to keep your hair flat under the wig. I'm just going to have it in a bun at the back of my head, because that'll do. It's not long enough to do rows or anything. Clean the edge of your hair, remove any chemicals or oils. This is proper. Place the wig on the head to check positioning of the hairline. Apply, okay, cut off the extra lace along the edge of the hairline, we'll do that. But then, this bit, apply tapes to the perimeter of your hairline area where the lace wig will be applied. Peel off skin to reveal sticky surface of tapes. Fix the front hair of the wigs with clips in case the hair fall onto the tapes, and tear the other side of the tape. So these, there are two, it splits in half, like that. This is the wig tape. I've never had wig tape before, especially not for free. What? Tape them? You know, who needs spirit gum? That's really cool. Press the tape area till you feel it is sticky. I'm guessing these are single-use tapes then, so I'll use them now. And then how to care for the wig. All the instructions you need to care for the wig cap and the wig. Pretty cool. There's also a video on celebrity-wig.com/how-to-wear in case you need a video demonstration. But that's what I'm here for. And then some care tips about the wig, that's fine. Oh! 2 more sets of wig tape. Jeez, I haven't even got to the wig yet. If you do like this item, you're welcome to leave a valued share for reference to other customers. Your encouragement means a lot to us. God bless. It's sincerely, Imstyle. Such a cute little card. Well, so far I'm loving the presentation. I love this box it came in. Like, what a nice little box. I like the wig tape. I like the instructions, like all these little things. And then here you have the wig cap. I just noticed there it says 2 pieces. Did I just get 2 wig caps? They are spoiling me. 2 wig caps. And I have wig caps. Like, I have so many wig caps and hairnets. A lot of them come free with wigs. I'm going to tell you right now, this one is already bigger, better size, and softer. I'm going to put it on now. Don't I look cool? Okay, and now it's time for the wig. Here it is. Comes in a lovely bag, which I need to find a good use for these bags, which I'll think of one. And then here's the wig in a hairnet, and she's stuffed. Well, she's stuffed. So she keeps a good shape. But, yes, here we are. So it's a light, like, platinum, not platinum, it's lighter than platinum, isn't it? It's a very light blonde wig with pink tips, like a pink dip dye. Or is it an no, it's more of it's kind of a slight ombre, but we'll say dip dye, pink tips. But the most interesting part of this to me is the pink roots. So it's a pink rooted, pink tipped wig with this blonde in the middle. Now, that's a really interesting choice to me. I have seen a lot of wigs like this with the whole multicolours thing, and I reckon some people might like their hair like this. To be completely honest, I didn't pick this wig. This one was the one that they're giving to me. And I may not have picked this because In my own personal opinion, I find a pink root with blonde hair but then pink tips hard to work with. I'd rather it was just blonde and then pink, or one or the other, and I may dye the blonde pink. But at least the roots are pink, so then if I'm dyeing the wig pink, I don't have to put the roots in, because every time I dye a wig, the lace dyes with it. Now, I don't have to worry about that problem. But some people may like the wig, and obviously on their website they have so many different choices of hair colours. This is just one very specific one. I'm guessing they needed to just get rid of it, so that's why I've got it. I don't mind, it's still fun. So, let's try her on. I'm not going to cut the lace off yet, I'm going to put it on, have fun, take it off, cut the lace off, and then put it on properly, wig tapes and all. So for now, here's just the first initial try on. Let's see how it looks on me. Okay, first thoughts, it's nice and tight. There's the comb, I found the comb at the back. Okay, so I've got it on quite far forward now, so pull it back a bit, pull the lace out. I definitely need to cut this lace off because there's so much lace it doesn't know what to do with itself right now. Okay, you know what? This is not bad. Of course it's not bad, it's an amazing wig, but I mean just the colour is something I thought I would not be able to work with, but this is not bad. This looks pretty cool. Okay, so I'm going to quickly tell you my thoughts about this wig right now. Wearing it, it fits like a dream. It's very comfortable. It is so soft. Like, it's got to be one of the softest wigs I've ever felt. It feels like real hair. There's a lot of wigs are like thick. There's like a thickness to them, and this wig is not thin at all. Like, obviously you can tell there's a lot of hair in this wig, 150% density, but it doesn't feel fake. It feels like a real amount of hair. Like, it feels a bit uncanny actually for me to be going like this, because it genuinely feels like my hair. So comfy. Look how good the hairline is as well. This is such a cool, like, a good hairline. Once I've cut the lace off, I'll be able to like wear it behind my ears, I think. And if the tape doesn't work, I don't expect the tape to work. I would just use spirit gum. But to be honest, I don't even do that most of the time. Most of the time I just use hair clips, but she's pretty actually. Isn't she pretty? I might need a minute to get used to it, but she is pretty. Here's the back. Okay, so I don't know what it looked like, but I hope it looked good. This is so nice, and just how it moves, it feels like really like well hydrated hair, and I love this length. I like this casual wavy style, and this length is like my favourite length. I wish it was in a colour that I would wear more, so I guess I'm just gonna have to buy one. Okay, I haven't even got it on properly yet, so remove the wig. I'm going to cut the lace off within an inch of its life, or actually more of a quarter of an inch of its life. And then I will put it back on. So I'm going to cut all around this. This is also a really good lace, by the way. Like, did you see it when it was on me? It was basically invisible. While I'm cutting it, I'm able to look at some of the details that have gone into this hairline, and this has got to be one of the best hairlines on a wig that I own. Jeez, it looks like real hair growing out of this lace. I'm going to try out some of these tapes. Oh, okay. So I want this to go here. The lady in the example did have it like on her hair. I'm worried it's going to pull my hair out, but it's fine. I am sticking it slightly on the wig cap because I don't give a Now, I haven't cleaned my hair with like alcohol, so if there's any oils or stuff stopping the tape from sticking, that's what the issue is, but it is sticking to my scalp incredibly well. Okay, here we go. I'm scared now because I've got tape on. If I get it wrong, I'll be so annoyed. Okay, it's too low down. Bring it up, and then hold it down onto the tape. I'm not expecting the tape to work, by the way. And if it doesn't, that's fine, because I may not be doing it properly, and you can just use spirit gum. So, but I can, now that the lace is cut, I can wear this behind my ear. Now, if I did it properly, or if I glued it down, I would be able to stick this over my actual side hair, and then you wouldn't see this, like, you know, the sideburn situation. But for now, you can see it. That is probably my fault, but I think it's fine. I always wear my wigs like this anyway. There we go. This is cool. This is a really cool wig. I like this a lot. So I need to think of reasons to wear it. So yeah, Imstyle wigs gets an absolute seal of approval from me. I would recommend them. And the most important part of this whole video, you go onto their website now, and if you buy something, you will get 20% off with the code PINK20. PINK 20. PINK20, that gets you 20% off. Go on their website, get yourself one of these wigs. I'm probably going to go and do just that because I want this in like every colour. And their prices are good. What more could you want? Also, it arrived really quickly. I was expecting it to take like weeks to arrive because I'm sure it came from another country because I'm in Britain. I'm sure they were shipping from America or something, and like, I don't know, it took a week or two, if that. It was fast. But you see, I don't like the roots thing on me because I wish it was just blonde with like tips. Like, imagine this. Imagine if the roots weren't there. Like, how much cooler does that look? It just looks like I've got blonde hair with pink tips. Which, this is a look. Woo. I mean, it defeats the whole purpose of the wig now to be wearing a hat over it, but... Alright. Yes, you see? Other than the roots, which is one colour that you can change, and you may even like, other than that, absolutely everything else is perfect. The packaging, the brand communication, the wig itself, the quality of the wig, the lace, the cap, the what got with it, the price, the offer they're giving, everything is perfect. So, go on their website, buy one yourself, PINK20, and let me know, show me, tag me, absolutely anything you want. Tell them you're there from me, that would help. And yeah, I think that's all for this video. Check out all my other videos, my recent videos, there should be quite a few lately. Check out my gaming channel and all my other social medias, they're all in the description, as is more information on this wig and the code and the website. The link to it all is down below. Bye!